Hi, Assalamualaikum. I am going to discuss with you practice 1.3, question 3. The question is given the following data, calculate the enthalpy of formation of ethane. So you are given 3 equations over here. The first equation, we cannot say that it is equation of combustion because the compound that is being combusted is not 1 mole. Look here. If we want to say this is the equation of combustion for enthalpy of combustion, this one must be 1 mole. So this is just a regular equation. This is equation of formation of CO2 because this is 1 mole, and we can also say this is the equation of combustion of carbon because this is 1 mole. And this one, the third one, this is a regular equation. It doesn't say it is equation of combustion because this is 2 mole. We cannot also say it is equation of formation of water because this is 2 mole. So let's look whether we got the answer -944 or not. Okay, the first thing that we need to do is write the equation of formation of ethane. So the constituent element at their standard state here is carbon in the form of solid and hydrogen gas. So it will form C2H6 gas. Now this is 2 moles. So we put 2 here. This is 6 atom. So we put 3 here. Right. So this is a balance equation. We want to know the delta HF. What is it? So we're going to use Hess Law, and I'm going to choose using algebraic method because this calculation involves fraction. Using fraction, so it would be better to use algebraic compared to energy cycle. I don't want to get confused. So for the first equation that is given in the question, it straight away gives us this ethane on the left. So it's on the wrong side. Let's put ethane on the right side. C2H6 straight away. But the equation given, the ethane has 2 mole here. Okay, here it has 2 moles, right? We don't want this. So we reverse. And then what do? This is confusing. Reverse and multiply by half or divide by 2. So we divide by 2. So this one becomes 1. And this one divide by 2. 7/2 O2 gas. The product now becomes reactant. So 4/2 CO2 gas plus 6/2 H2O liquid. I'm sorry because my handwriting is not beautiful. Right. So now we have the C2H6 gas. Okay, we got 1 element here. Now we want to find for this one. This one is using the second equation. The second equation, I believe, when we just look at this equation, it is straight away we saw this one, right? So just multiply by 2. This one multiply by 2 and it becomes 2 CO2 gas. So we just multiply by 2. Oh, I forgot. This one. This -3120 because we reverse. So this one will change to positive and we divide by 2. Okay. And this one, it is -394, but since we multiply by 2, this one also we have to multiply by 2. Alright, The third equation is 2 H2 gas. Okay, I'm writing the one given in the question. Okay, and then you produce 2 H2O liquid. So what happened here is we want 3 H2, but given to you is 2 H2. So we have to remove these 2 and replace it with 3. So we multiply by what? 3 over 2. So we can straight away remove the number 2 and we give 3 H2. The same as this one. Here, the same with this one. So O2 we also multiply by 3 over 2 and this one 3 over 2. So we got 3 H2O. Alright. Now is the fun part. Before that, negative 572 multiplied by 3 over 2. Okay, I'm going to switch the color now and we're going to do the elimination. First, we look at 2 CO2 on the left. We must find on the right. It's the same number of mole. So we already cross out CO2. Now, what about H2O liquid? Now, H2O liquid, sometimes I put gas, that would be my mistake. Okay, it would be correct if it's liquid. H2O will always be in liquid. So this is 3 moles, right? So on the left. So find 3 moles on the right. This one is 3 mole. You see? Okay, cross that out. Okay, what else do we have? 7 over 2O2. Where is that? Here. This is 4 over 2 and this is 3 over 2. 4 over 2 plus 3 over 2 is 7 over 2. Again, this is mathematics standard 3. So this one is eliminated on the right and this one is eliminated on the left. So finally, we are able to get this 1, 2, and 3. Just like this formation. So you press your calculator for this. 3120 divided by 2 plus negative 394 times 2 plus negative 572 times 3 over 2. Please make sure you press the calculator correctly. So, what is your answer? The answer is negative 86 kilojoules. So, please do it on your own first. For the rest of the questions in the tutorial part, and I'm actually really nervous and excited at the same time, because when we go into semester 2, things are happening so fast that I don't know whether you can catch up or keep up or not. So please do not be shy and contact me, show me your calculations, so that if something is missing, we can detect it straight away. Okay? Here is the continuation of me giving you the tutorial question at the back of the course book. I'm giving you this early because maybe some of you came late and you are not able to look at your course book directly. So you can refer to the questions here and you can do the tutorial question on your own using your exercise book. You don't need to print out the notes that I give to you. You can only just do the exercises in the exercise book. Later, when you get the course book, you should be able to fill in the blanks. It's not that much for chapter 1, 2, 3. So this is the question for number 11 on Hess Law. There are 3 questions, A, B, and C. Question number 12, 13, and 14. So notice that question number 13, referring to the data given below, use energy cycle method. So in the exam, we are going to ask you to use energy cycle method if we want to give marks for energy cycle. Because energy cycle is quite difficult to do when the equation is more than 2. So we are going to specify which question. If we want you to use energy cycle, we will tell you in the question. But if we don't tell you, you can use both, either energy cycle or algebraic. So please do these questions on your own first, and then I will try to do more videos and explanations, and I hope you would be able to understand well what is going on for this chapter, Thermochemistry, especially Hess Law. So thank you very much for listening, everybody, and I see you soon, inshallah.